100 Commandments and Doctrines from the Quran. Do not be rude in speech. Restrain anger. Be good to others. Do not be arrogant. Forgive others for their mistakes. Speak to people mildly. Be moderate in your bearing and the volume of your speech. Do not ridicule others. Be dutiful to parents. Do not say a word of disrespect to parents. Do not enter parents' private room without asking permission. Commit to writing any transaction involving the taking or giving of loans. Do not follow anyone blindly. Grant more time to repay if the debtor is in hard times. Don't be involved with usury or interest. Do not engage in bribery. Do not break any promise. Keep and fulfill all trusts. Do not mix the truth with falsehood. Judge with justice between people. Stand out firmly for justice. Wealth of the dead should be distributed among his family members. Women have the right of inheritance. Do not take for yourself the property of orphans. Protect orphans. Do not consume one another's wealth unjustly. Facilitate peace between those in conflict. Avoid being suspicious. Spend wealth in charity. Encourage feeding of the poor. Seek out the needy and help them. Do not spend money extravagantly. Do not invalidate charity by bragging about your generosity. Honor guests. Enjoy virtue to others only after practicing it yourself. Do not engage in or spread corruption. Do not prevent people from going to houses of worship. Never engage in fighting as an aggressor, but only in defense. Do not engage in compulsion regarding religion. Believe in all prophets. Do not have sexual intercourse during the menstrual period. Do not commit adultery. Choose leaders based on their merits. God does not burden a person beyond his capacity, nor should we. Do not become divided. Think deeply about the wonders of nature and the creation of this universe. Men and women have equal rewards for their deeds. Do not marry those who are related to you by blood. The man is the protector and the supporter of the family. Do not be miserly. Do not envy others. Do not support or be an advocate for those who betray their trust. Support one another in virtue and piety, not in sin or enmity. Be just and do not let hatred swerve you from justice. Do not consume dead animals, the blood of animals or pork. Avoid intoxicants and alcohol. Do not gamble. Do not insult other people's deities. Be honest. Don't cheat in any of your dealings. Eat and drink, but be not excessive. Wear good clothing during prayer times. Protect and help those who seek protection. Strive for purity. Never give up hope of Allah's mercy. Know that Allah forgives a wrong done out of ignorance if the person repents and corrects himself. Inviting others to the way of God should be done with wisdom and graciousness. No one can bear another person's sins. Do not kill your children for fear of poverty. Avoid vain talk. Respect other people's privacy, especially in their own homes. Know that God provides security and peace to those who worship Him and act virtuously. Be modest and humble. Strive for reward in the hereafter, but do not neglect your affairs in this world. Invoke not any other deity along with God. Do not engage in homosexuality. Enjoin the right and forbid the wrong. Women should not display or flaunt their beauty and charms. God forgives all sins when the sinner repents and turns to Him. Repel evil by something that is better. Decide affairs by consultation. Know that there should be no monasticism in religion. Those who have knowledge will be given a higher rank by God. Treat non-Muslims in a kind and fair manner. Stay away from greed and stinginess. Do not ignore or push away the needy. Pardon and forgive the mistakes of others. Establish prayer and give in charity. Know that the bounty of God is better than anything man can amass or hoard. God puts love and affection between the hearts of those who believe in Him. Those who purify their souls succeed, and those who corrupt their souls fail. Those who believe in God find satisfaction in remembering Him. Those who believe and do good are given joy and peace of mind, enjoying patience and compassion. Know that God gave humans hearing, sight, intelligence, and affections so that they might be grateful. Compete with one another in doing good. Know that God created the universe with meaning and purpose. God, your honesty. Know that being just is next to piety. Fight when necessary to defend yourselves, but do not aggress. Know that it is only righteousness that makes a person noble.